And namaste everyone. Today we are going to start Indian polity. That is Indian polity. And what we call in Hindi as Bharatiya Rajya Vyavastha. Okay. So why do we require this so-called Indian polity and Bharatiya Rajya Vyavastha? So we all know that the country is ruled by a system, दैट इज़ द भारत में राज करने की जो व्यवस्था है, दैट द सिस्टम विच वी यूज़, इट इज़ द इंडियन पॉलिटी. एंड भारत में राज्य करने की ये जो व्यवस्था है ये किसके थ्रू रन करती है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया के थ्रू, दैट इज़ भारतीय संविधान के थ्रू. तो आने वाले लेक्चर्स में हम पढ़ेंगे कि भारतीय राज्य व्यवस्था की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी, ओके, और किस तरह से इस राज्य व्यवस्था का जन्म हुआ और कैसे इस राज्य व्यवस्था का विकास हुआ. तो पहला सवाल उठता है कि भारतीय राज्य व्यवस्था की शुरुआत कब से हुई. तो असल बात यह है कि शुरुआत तो इसकी जभी से हो गई थी जब अंग्रेज़ों का भारत में आगमन हुआ था, दैट इज़ द अराइवल ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स इन इंडिया. एंड अगर हम बात करते हैं कि सबसे पहला ब्रिटिशर इन विच ईयर ही केम इन इंडिया, देन वी नो दैट इन 1599, दैट इज़ 1599 ईस्वी में, इट वाज जॉन मिल्डे नेहाल. So in 1599, this John Mildenhall, he visited India by sea route. No, not by sea route. He visited so he came by the roadways, and at that time, the way from the Britain to India, the people used this way, that Sindh and Kashmir, by Sindh and Kashmir way, by roadway. So the first Britisher, it was John Mildenhall. He visited India by roadway using the Sindh and Kashmir way. Okay. So John Mildenhall was the first Britisher to visit India, but he was not the first Britisher to came to the Mughal Emperor of India, because like John Mildenhall, he didn't visit the Mughal Emperor Akbar. The other person who was Ralph Finch. The Ralph Finch, he was also a Britisher. He visited Mughal Emperor, and at that time, the Mughal Emperor of India was it was Akbar. So Akbar was the Mughal Emperor of India at that time, and Ralph Finch, he was the only first Britisher who came to meet the Mughal Emperor of India. Okay. Now these two, that is John Mildenhall and Ralph Finch, when they went back to their country, when they went back to Britain, they realized that Bharat ब्रिटिशर्स का उपनिवेश बन सकता है. And the second thing they realized, that the India's geographical condition, कि इंडिया की जो जोग्राफिकल कंडीशन है वो ट्रेड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही फेवरेबल है. Okay, so ultimately, when the Britishers realized that India can be their that the India can be a place where they can invest their money into business, and also they realized that the geographical condition of India is very much favorable from trade point of view. So then the Britishers they decided to trade in India. सो नाउ ब्रिटिशर्स ने डिसाइड किया कि वो इंडिया के साथ ट्रेड करने वाले हैं. एंड फॉर दिस पर्पस ओनली द ब्रिटिशर्स दे मेड अ ग्रुप एंड दैट ग्रुप वाज नेम्ड एज मर्चेंट एडवेंचर्स. तो ब्रिटिशर्स दैट इज़ अंग्रेज़ों ने एक व्यापारियों का अपना एक दल बनाया जिसका उन्होंने नाम रखा मर्चेंट एडवेंचर्स. And now this group went to the then then Queen of England, then Queen of England, and then the Queen of England was Elizabeth First Taylor. So this group, the Merchant Adventure group, went to the Queen of England, that was Elizabeth First Taylor, and they asked her for the trade monopoly, that is ekadhikar, for trading with India, for trading in India along with the other eastern countries. Okay, and resulting that Elizabeth first gave merchant adventures a charter which is also called a Rajlek. So Elizabeth First Taylor gave the merchant adventures a charter, and this charter, it was signed on 31st December 1600. Okay, and with this charter only स्थापना हुई किसकी? तो स्थापना हुई ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, British East India Company. So with this charter, which was given by the Elizabeth first to the merchant adventures, it was स्थापना हुई ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की.